Well, something a little different today. I'm not going to be helping somebody in a van or a truck. I'm going on the water to a cabin to help with a solar system. That's going to be really a nice, beautiful day. Be something different. Go.
Ready to go.
Yeah. This bar, really cool. Back end of a swim grid for a boat in the lake. And we're just gonna have a cup of coffee before we start to work. So we're using Renogy products. Got a Renogy 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter, Renogy current meter, the DC shunt, and then I've got the Renogy DC to DC with MPPT, and the batteries coming into here. We also put a little port on here for charger, the phone, cigarette lighter adapter, and right now I've got a current meter on so we can see how much the fridge is drawing. And we also have a wind turbine set up. I used to have this turbine at my house, but I gave it to Vern to use it as cabin, and so it's set up. Usually in the afternoon on the Harrison Lake, it gets really windy and the thing will start turning, help charging the batteries, especially if it's rainy or cloudy. And that just runs down. We have the solar panels. They're on an angle. They need to be cleaned again. It's right now the 4 panels. It's charging at 40 amps. We also plan to put 400 amps of solar up on the rocks up there, so more use and more power. They're powering the fridge right now and some LED lights, but they want to power some more stuff and run power up into their cabin. Whoop. He said the cabin goes way up in the back there, so we're getting there. So we're gonna head back. We're all done here for today, and we gotta go way back over there.